Hello. Step Bible is a project of Tyndale House, and you can look up any passage in the Bible and click on any hyperlinked words. Those words are words that translate a specific word in the original language, and that will show you a basic definition, and you can instantly look up every place that word appears in the Bible. Here's Deuteronomy 6. Look at verses 4 and 5. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, and with all your soul, and with all your might. Now, let's say I want to do a study on the word love in verse 5. I can hover my cursor over the word, and I can see a basic definition. I can see a transliteration of the word. That's a spelling with English letters that tell you how the Hebrew word would be pronounced, ahev, or depending on other spellings, ahav. If I click on the word, you can see the basic definition. You can see a more detailed definition depending on the context. You can see related words. You can also see Strong's number, Hebrew 0157. And I'll explain more about why Strong's number is helpful in a minute. But the coolest feature is that I can click this link and see every time that the word ahav occurs in the Hebrew Bible. They're all going to be in the Old Testament because the word is Hebrew. I can also go back and see cross-references for where this passage is cited in the New Testament. If I click on the passage in Mark, it will open that verse, and if I click on this icon, I can open that in another tab, and then read Mark 12:29. Jesus answered, "The most important is, Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. And you shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, and with all your soul, and with all your mind, and with all your strength." Let's say I wanted to see the information on the Greek word for love. Again, I hover over the word. I can see a basic definition. I can see an English transliteration of the Greek word agapao. And again, I can click on the word, see a more detailed definition, and an even more detailed definition down below. I can see related words to agapao, in this case agape and agapetas. And again, the really cool feature here is I can search every case that agapao appears in the New Testament just by clicking that link. I should be able to click on this link to look up every case where the word agapao appears in the New Testament. Now, Step Bible is a fantastic free resource, but there are sometimes glitches. But if I want to look it up, I can just go to the search bar and search it there. And there I see every place that agapao appears in the New Testament. So it's a really cool and powerful resource. Again, I can see Strong's number, Greek word number 25, and again I'll explain why that is important in a minute. Another cool feature of Step Bible is I can search more than one word at a time, and I can search in English, Greek, or Hebrew. So let's say I wanted to search love and heart. So I'll search the English word love. I will search the English word heart. And it will show me every case in the Bible, because I'm searching the English terms, where both of those words appear. I can do the same search with the Hebrew word for love and the Hebrew word for heart and find all the verses where those two words appear in the Old Testament. I can also search the Greek words for love, agapao, and heart, and find all the verses where those two words appear together in the New Testament. So it's a very powerful tool that is a lot of fun to use for study. The default translation for STEPBible.org is the ESV. There are other translations available, Some have more features than others. For example, the NIV, you cannot click on words in the English language. I can also look at the Hebrew and Greek on STEPBible.org. So if I click here, I can see a Hebrew text for Deuteronomy 6. And here's our word to love, ahav. STEPBible also has an iPhone app, but the app is very limited compared to the website. All in all, STEPBible.org is a wonderful resource for those who want to study the words of the Bible as they become better Bible readers. Thank you so much.